Hello friends, happy Onam to all of you. Today I am showing a quick video of what all I did during my Onam celebrations. We had guests, so there was no time to take a proper video. So I am taking just the glimpses of it. This is the pukolam I made, the flower arrangement with whatever flowers I had in my garden. So I just collected all of them and made a quick flower arrangement. And today my husband was cooking all the Kerala cuisine. And the Friday night we had a barbecue. During that time we had chicken drumsticks, steak, then paneer fry, chili chicken, and so many other things we enjoyed. And morning then we had idli, sambar, chutney, dosa. And now I'm showing the preparation of the lunch menu. This is my husband starting to make a avial. Here we have the cluster beans. He's adding a little water and starting to boil. We had cluster beans, yam, raw banana, ivy gourd, green chilies, drumstick, carrot, potato. For the avial, here he is adding the drumstick with a little onion, sliced onion and green chilies. Then this is the yam, raw banana, and all the mix of other vegetables that I mentioned. He's boiling it all with a little salt and turmeric powder.
Student, you should know that.
My husband is a good cook. Here he's adding okra at the end. Okra doesn't have to boil a lot, so he's adding it at the end with a little water. He's adding salt. And in the cooker we have some tur dal with raw banana for parp curry. Here he is adding coconut and cumin seeds and green chilies ground to a paste that he's adding after the vegetables are boiled, and also a little bit of tamarind to give a slightly sour taste. You can also add curd instead of tamarind, but we added tamarind. And this is our avial is ready. We also made some potato fry. This was my dish, so I made it. Just boiled some potatoes and fried it. This is the matar rice. That is the main. And this is the payasam we had made. For that we boiled milk and added some vermicelli and all the nuts and cashew nut, sugar, cardamom and raisins. That's all. This is the parp curry. We had the parp, that is the tur dal, and raw banana. Now he's mashing it and then he will season it. So for seasoning, a little oil and mustard seeds. When it starts spluttering, he's adding some curry leaves. and dried red chilies and turmeric powder, along with coconut and garlic and cumin ground paste.
தேங்காய் அரைச்சி
இதை மூடியை கழுவிக்கணும்.
And this he will be adding to the
உப்பி தாளிச்சு
parpu curry. We had also made lots of
அது இப்படி தாளிக்கிறேன்
mutton, beef curry, mutton chops, chicken,
like this. Okay.
so many other things.
Yeah.
This is the
Crush that.
sadhya served on banana leaves. We are sitting down and having it.
Mola-
I'm not showing the faces of all our guests,
Mhm.
but this is all we had with the pickle and ghee and rasam.
Yeah.
This is the parpu curry.
Normally, Mane, we use this, put
All of us are sitting down and having our meal.